In this session we will see we will publish our created website, and we'll see how it looks like on a public domains. I'll switch back to the desktop here, desktop editing mode. I'll click on back to editor. So this is our website. So here, if you want, you can add the social media links also. So you just have to click on add elements, so you can choose whatever you want. So next we will save it before publishing. So while publishing, it will inform you about the website address. I'll click on publish here. So while publishing, it will come a small pop-up. In this pop-up, it will show you the website address. Here we can see this is the website address. So you can click on view site, or you can click on done. So I will click on view site here. So one new tab will open. There your new site will be available. So I'll click on delete here. So we'll see the link here. You can see the website link which is created by the wixsite.com. That is classes15.wixsite.com and /onlinecard. This is your website address. I will just copy this website address and we'll see in the different browser. I have chosen another browser which to cross check our website. So we'll add this website here and click enter. So you can see online website. So using this website link, you can forward to your clients, and you can see the entire website has been designed here. You can go to about page. So we have not added any about page details about the about page, but we just showing the edited template, how it looks like after editing. So you just edit the information about the product, add the photos, pictures and videos, and you can click on more button. We get shop option. So you can click on the shop, you can go to men option, you can go to women option. These are all links which are already available. So you can even right click and you can click on open in new tab. You can click on open in new tab. So right click new tab, right click new tab. So all the tabs were working fine. So all are having the product information of different category. This is the store policy by default which is given here, and this is the shipping and return policies were written here. So all the pages were published properly, and this is the public domain. So you can use this particular link for your clients. You can send this website address. This is a temporary, and this is a free option, not temporary. It is a permanent only. So for lifetime you can use it, but this is the free domain. So if you want to buy a domain, just have to visit the wix.com to buy a domain, and you can link your website to the purchased domain also. So we'll go to add cart here. So if in mobile version, we will see how it looks like. You can just on your mobile and just copy and paste this particular website, and you can see how it looks like in mobile version.